Guys, Ryan here again from the London Craftsman, and I've got a great little video for you for anyone who's got a Graco True Coat Pro or equivalent of these sprayers. I've had two of these now, one for about 3 or 4 years and the other one which I bought second hand as it is. Guys told me it's worked, bought it back, doesn't work, tried everything. So I've obviously YouTubed all the problems. They've told me to take this nut out, clean it out, wiggle this a little bit, take this pot off, wiggle the spring. I've literally done everything I could, tried priming it for God knows how long. Running other different stuffs through it. I tried putting white spirit through it, which, you know, I didn't really want to, but it's never worked. So just had to get it working really. And so all I literally did was got some, well, I thought, well, it looked a little bit rusty on the top here, so this bit does move up and down. I was thinking it's sprung, you know, where do you oil these? Because at the end of the day, you oil your big machines in the piston. So I'm guessing the piston is down there at some place. So all I did is I just put a few drops of 3-in-1 oil in there. There we go. I put quite a bit in there, maybe a ½ teaspoon. Had it on prime, which is the nozzle out, and I've let it run. I haven't got any water in this, so I'm not actually going to prime it and show you it working or not working, but I literally just put some oil in it, let it run for 5 seconds, and had the water in here as well, and then water just start bubbling out, okay? Which means I know it's priming, and then so I flicked it back up and it started squirting everywhere. So 3-in-1 oil down this tip, give this a little wobble once you've got the oil in there. And I also did it in the other one as well, 10 minutes later, so they both work now. You know, these haven't been working for a year or two, that's a few years, this is a year. And both got them working with a little bit of 3-in-1 oil. So if you've tried everything else, give that a go. 99% sure it's going to work for you. If it does work, please let me know. If it doesn't, again, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear back from you. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you've subscribed and liked the video. Cheers guys, bye bye.